What's up, guys? Ever tried checking inside an engine or pipe and realized you just cannot see what is going on? Today on Tech Kingo, we are talking about the best industrial endoscope camera that helps you inspect tight and hidden spaces with confidence. It is compact, powerful, and built for serious inspection work. Let's get started. One product that stands out in this category is the Guanmu Y400 industrial endoscope camera. Guanmu designed the Y400 to make inspections easier, faster, and more accurate across many industries. The first feature that really makes a difference is the two-way articulating probe. This probe can bend and rotate, allowing you to move around corners and navigate complex spaces. Instead of taking apart machinery or removing panels, you can guide the camera exactly where you need it. It saves time, reduces effort, and helps avoid costly disassembly. You get a clear look inside without breaking everything open. At the center of the device is a 4.3-inch IPS screen. This display delivers sharp visuals with strong color accuracy and clarity. When you are inspecting small cracks, worn parts, or blockages, clear image quality matters a lot. The IPS screen makes details easier to spot, so you can make better decisions right away. You do not have to guess what you are seeing. The Guanmu Y400 also features a semi-rigid cable that balances flexibility and durability. It is detachable and bendable, so you can guide it through narrow or curved pathways with control. At the same time, it is strong enough to handle demanding environments. With its IP67 rating, the cable is resistant to water and dust. This makes it suitable for wet pipes, dusty ducts, or dirty engine compartments. Lighting is another important part of inspection work. The Y400 comes with adjustable LED illumination. You can increase or decrease the brightness depending on the environment. In dark spaces, you can turn up the light for better visibility. In tighter reflective areas, you can reduce it to avoid glare. This flexibility helps you get clearer results in different conditions. Versatility is where the Guanmu Y400 truly shines. It can be used for automotive maintenance, engine checks, HVAC duct inspections, and plumbing diagnostics. Whether you are a professional technician or someone handling technical maintenance, this tool helps you inspect hard-to-reach areas with confidence. The overall build feels solid and dependable. It is compact enough to carry easily, yet strong enough to handle regular use. The combination of an articulating probe, clear IPS display, durable cable, and adjustable lighting makes the Guanmu Y400 industrial endoscope camera a reliable inspection companion. If you want to make inspections faster and more precise, this is definitely worth considering. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.